Hey friends, if you wish to copy column width from a source to another spreadsheet in Excel, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So here's the thing. I have data and mostly in Excel data, the width of columns is different. For example, one column could be wider, one column could be narrower. And if you simply copy and paste it to a different sheet, as you can see, the column widths will all become the same. So if you wish to make sure that the column width is not going to change, then right click on it and select this options, select the option pay special, and then you will find these options to paste while keeping the column width intact. Keep source column, right? I'll show you once again. Okay, right click on it, select paste special, this forward pointing arrow. There's one option which says keep source column widths. Click on this one. It will keep the widths intact. Okay, but the size, no, it won't. So as for the size, you will still have to increase the same through this option here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.